Hello, plant lovers, and welcome back. Have you ever bought a beautiful houseplant, only to find yourself constantly worrying about watering, yellow leaves, pests, or whether you're doing everything right? You're not alone. The truth is, keeping plants should be relaxing, not stressful. Plants are meant to bring joy, beauty, and a sense of peace into our lives, not become another item on a never-ending to-do list. In today's video, I'll share simple ways to make plant care a calming hobby instead of a headache. Whether you're a beginner or you've already built a small indoor jungle, these tips will help you enjoy your plants with less stress and more confidence. Let's get started. One of the biggest sources of stress is expecting every plant to look perfect. Even experienced gardeners lose plants. Leaves turn yellow, some flowers don't bloom, a few plants simply aren't happy where they are, and that's okay. Instead of seeing every problem as a failure, think of it as part of learning. Every plant teaches you something new. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a competition. Many beginners make the same mistake. They buy 10 or 20 plants in one weekend. At first, it's exciting. A few weeks later, watering, pruning, and repotting start to feel overwhelming. Instead, begin with just 3 to 5 easy care plants. As your confidence grows, you can slowly expand your collection. It's much easier to enjoy 5 healthy plants than to feel stressed over 20. Some plants naturally require less attention. Great beginner-friendly choices include snake plant, ZZ plant, pothos, spider plant, cast iron plant, Chinese evergreen. These plants tolerate occasional mist waterings and adapt well to indoor conditions. Choosing easy plants means more enjoyment and fewer worries. Instead of checking your plants every day, create a simple weekly routine. Pick one day each week, walk through your home, check the soil, remove dead leaves. Look for new growth, wipe dusty leaves if needed. Most weeks, this takes only 15 or 20 minutes. A simple routine keeps plant care organized without taking over your schedule. Social media is filled with picture-perfect indoor jungles. But remember, many photos are carefully staged. Lighting is adjusted, plants are rearranged. Only the healthiest leaves are shown. Your home doesn't have to look like a magazine. If your plants are healthy and make you happy, you're doing a wonderful job. Many plant problems happen because we treat every plant the same. Some enjoy bright sunlight, others prefer shade, some like moist soil. Others need to dry out between waterings. Spend a few minutes learning each plant's basic needs. Once you understand them, caring for your collection becomes much easier. Slow down, notice the tiny details, like a new leaf unfolding, a flower beginning to bloom, fresh green shoots appearing after weeks of waiting. These quiet moments are what make plant care so rewarding. Plants remind us that growth takes time. Not everything has to happen quickly. There's no rule saying you need hundreds of plants. Some people are happiest with 3, others enjoy 30. Find the number that fits your lifestyle. A smaller collection that's healthy and well cared for is often far more enjoyable than a large collection that feels overwhelming. Turn plant care into a peaceful ritual. Play soft music, open the windows. Enjoy a cup of tea or coffee. Take your time while watering and checking your plants. Instead of rushing, use those few minutes to disconnect from screens and enjoy being present. Your plants may not solve every problem, but they can help create a calm and welcoming space. Keeping plants isn't about perfection. It's about enjoying nature inside your home, learning through experience, and celebrating small moments of growth. Start small, keep things simple. Choose plants that fit your lifestyle. Most importantly, let your plants bring you peace instead of pressure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's just beginning their plant journey. Thank you for watching and happy growing.